Hi everyone, and welcome to this video on exploratory factor analysis, or EFA. EFA. What is EFA? EFA is a statistical technique that is used to identify the underlying latent factors that explain the covariation among a set of observed variables. In other words, EFA helps us to reduce the dimensionality of a data set by grouping together observed variables that are highly correlated. So why we use EFA? So there are many reasons why we might want to use EFA. For example, we might want to reduce the number of variables in a data set to make it easier to manage and interpret. This is applicable to a huge number of data. Next, we might use EFA if we want to identify the underlying constructs that are measured by a set of observed variables. Next, to develop a more parsimonious model of a phenomenon. So this is mainly the basis for making a model. Next, to improve the reliability and validity of our measures. So that's it. So the next, so I will be showing you, I will be showing, I will be showing you, um, I will be showing you how to do exploratory factor analysis in Jamovi. Then we will be checking our data. So for SB1, SB stands for surfing and browsing. This is ordinal. This is also an ordinal data. And then we'll be having this one as an ordinal data. This one is ordinal also. SB, this one. These are ordinal data. So we will change this one into ordinal. ED1 stands for encryption and decryption. We will be changing this one into ordinal. Ordinal. So in here, you must see to it that your data is categorized into its correct category, whether it's nominal, ordinal, or other measurement type. So we have here ordinal. SM is system management. So we will be having this one as an ordinal data. Remember that our test statistics for this one is exploratory factor analysis. So we will change this one by one. So that's it. Okay. Then click upper right arrow to hide. So how do we do exploratory factor analysis? So we will then click analysis, factor, and then exploratory factor analysis. So we will be checking or exporting all our variables here. These are variables. So here, we will be clicking this one to determine the correlation of this data from each other. So here, then click this arrow. Okay, so this Jamovi now is preparing its data. So we will be for method, we will be checking principal axis and then rotation. Okay, it's oblique. Assumptions check. We'll be having Bartlett's sphericity. Bartlett's test of sphericity. PMO measure of sampling adequacy. And the number of factors we will be having based on ion value. Let's try 0.3 to eliminate other types of values. We have also to sort loadings by size. And then, okay, so that's it. We have also factor summary. You can, you may explore this EFA. You have just to click this one since it's checklist there. So in here, you have, since our ion value is greater than 0.3, so our our factors that is less than 0.3 is already eliminated. So as you can see, our data is 0.33 and above. So this is now the data, the table for our EFA. Then our assumptions check on Bartlett's test of sphericity. So we have degree of freedom 171. P is less than 0.001. P is less than 0.001, not significant or not normally distributed. So this is the chemomeasure sampling adequacy. So you can find here that from this data, we have SB2 for surfing and browsing 2 as the highest score, means score, while this one, we have 8.98, 887, and then for SM, we have 8.85. So that's for factor analysis. You try to see the relationship or the correlation between each factor loadings. So we will check the factor summary. So this one is a factor summary. This one. So factor 1, 2, 3, 4, the 4 factors. This is the loadings, the variance, and the cumulative percentage. So factor 4 has the highest cumulative percentage among the 4 factors. So factor correlations, we'll just check this one. So for factor correlations, so this one, for 1 and 2, they have 2.41, 43, and 4. Okay. So in EFA, you have to explore and check if what data will be applicable to your study. So you have also this one, then the script plot, model fit, so the script plot. So in here, so this value here from 2 to 3, you will be considering this one because it's a value that shifted. So more or less this video tells you on what things you should do on your variables if you want to do EFA. I cannot really discuss in details what will be the meanings for these numbers. More or less this will be discussed in detail for my next series of videos when I will be conducting researches that uses EFA, especially for profiling and for basis for some intervention in our school. I hope this video helps you in some way, in one way or another. I think that would be all. Thank you. Goodbye.